Welcome to our comparison video where we explore two powerful motherboards, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the ASUS ROG Strix B850A. Both motherboards are designed for high-performance gaming and computing, but they each offer unique features that cater to different needs. In this video, we will compare their networking capabilities, memory support, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to networking, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX features Wi-Fi 6E, providing fast and reliable connectivity for gamers and streamers. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix B850A takes it a step further with Wi-Fi 7, which promises even faster speeds and improved performance in crowded networks. This makes the ASUS motherboard a better choice for those looking for the latest in wireless technology. In terms of memory support, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX can handle up to 128 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is suitable for most gaming and productivity tasks. However, the ASUS ROG Strix B850A offers a higher capacity of up to 192 GB, making it an excellent option for enthusiasts who require extensive multitasking capabilities or plan to run memory-intensive applications. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a motherboard. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is priced at $219, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B850A comes at a higher price of $289, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. Depending on your budget and requirements, you may find that one motherboard offers better value for your specific needs. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE 650 AORUS Elite AX and the ASUS ROG Strix B850A are excellent motherboards that cater to different audiences. The GIGABYTE offers great value with solid features, while the ASUS provides cutting-edge technology for those who need the best performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.